Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you want to buy on Vinted but don't have a payment method added yet. So adding one only takes a minute. You can link a card or other supported options. It makes checkout fast and even smooth. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually add a payment method on Vinted in 2026, whether you are using the app or the website itself. So fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First thing first, let's say you are using iOS or Android. You have to go to Play Store or App Store, download the Vinted app, and go use your email address and password to actually log in. Otherwise, we're gonna go to Vinted.com. It's the same steps. All the way here, log in using your email address and password to access your profile. So we're gonna tap on Profile here, go all the way to Profile. You can also go to settings if you want to. We have the send now option. So for example, my wallet. We also have settings. So as you see, you have the payment history. You have the setup. Tap on setup here to see the options. First name, last name, date of birth, social security number. You can add the billing address. You can even activate the wallet itself if you want to. Then you can go to settings if you want more options on payments. Just go there and look to add card or add bank account. Include all of your informations. Then add your payment method. As I told you, enter all of your card details, confirm and save. Always double check your card number before saving and make sure your card supports online payments, and that's it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.